Anna had always dreamed of speaking English fluently, but just a few months ago, even ordering a coffee felt impossible. Now, she stood at the edge of a new beginning, her first day working at a small cafe in the city. She was excited, yes, but more than that, she was nervous. Her story was about to begin. It was early morning. The sun was rising over the quiet city streets as Anna tied her apron in front of the cafe. Pedestrians hurried by, and the rich smell of roasted coffee drifted through the air. The cafe itself was warm and inviting, with soft music and small wooden tables. Anna glanced up at the menu, written completely in English. Words like latte and cappuccino stared back at her like a challenge. The manager gave her a gentle smile. "Just listen carefully. Smile. You'll be fine." Then the bell above the door chimed. A customer stepped in. Anna took a breath. "Good morning," she said. The woman smiled. "Good morning. Can I get a coffee and a muffin, please?" Anna's heart raced. She pointed to the muffins. "This muffin?" The customer nodded, and Anna handed her the order with a small but proud "Thank you." It was her first sentence in real conversation. Small, but real. And it was only the beginning. A few minutes later, the bell rang again. A tall man with glasses and a kind expression walked in, a folded newspaper under his arm. "Good morning. Can I get a coffee with milk, please?" he asked. Anna froze for a heartbeat, then nodded. "Yes, one coffee, with milk." She poured the drink carefully and handed it over. "Thanks," he said, dropping a tip in the jar. "First day?" Surprised, she nodded. "Yes. Is it that obvious?" He chuckled. "Just a little. You're doing great." That smile meant more than he knew. Moments later, another customer walked in, a businesswoman in sunglasses, phone in hand. "I need a cappuccino, extra foam," she said without looking up. Panic hit again, but Marco, the barista, was already moving. "She's a regular," he whispered. Anna turned to the woman. "Your cappuccino, coming soon." The woman gave a slight nod and returned to her phone. 2 customers down, and Anna was still standing. Barely, but standing. "You survived your first rush," Marco grinned. She laughed. "Barely." The cafe began to feel possible. After the rush, the cafe fell into a peaceful rhythm. The hum of the coffee machine blended with soft music. Sunlight streamed through the windows. Anna leaned on the counter and let out a deep breath. Marco handed her a glass of water. "You did good," he said. "I thought I'd mess everything up," she admitted. "Everyone does on their first day. You didn't run off. That's a win." Across the room, the man with glasses read his newspaper. The businesswoman's half-empty cappuccino still sat untouched. Anna watched people flow in and out, each carrying their own little world with them, and somehow she was becoming part of it. "You hungry?" Marco asked. She nodded. He tossed her a croissant. "Eat up. It gets busier later." Anna bit into the flaky pastry, still behind the counter. The cafe was no longer just a workplace. It was starting to feel like something more, maybe even like belonging. Marco disappeared into the back, leaving Anna at the front alone. She adjusted her apron and straightened up. A young woman entered, headphones around her neck and a book in her hand. She gave a soft smile. "Hi, can I get a tea with lemon?" Anna's heart jumped, but she nodded. "Sure, 1 tea, with lemon." The girl smiled again and found a seat by the window. Anna took her time preparing the drink. She set it on a tray and brought it over herself. "Thank you," the girl said, pleasantly surprised. "You're welcome," Anna replied with a small grin. As she walked back, something had shifted. Not everything was easy, but the fear was lighter now. She looked around the cafe. People writing, reading, talking. She was a part of it. This wasn't just a job, it was her place now. Each day brought a new challenge, a new face, a new phrase, a new smile. Anna wasn't perfect, but she was learning. Every thank you and good morning became a small victory. One morning, she looked at herself in the mirror behind the counter. Green apron on, hair a little messy, eyes full of something new, confidence. She had once been terrified of even saying hello in English. Now she was serving tea, chatting with strangers, and growing into her voice. If Anna could do it, step by step, anyone could. And this story? It was just beginning.